Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create compelling content with Grammarly step by step clearly.
Start by understanding your target audience.
Research their interests and preferences. Identify the key topics they engage with.
Begin your writing process with a clear outline. Draft a rough structure of your content. Focus on your main ideas and supporting points. Once you have your draft, open Grammarly. Choose the appropriate document type for your writing.
Enable Grammarly's suggestions for grammar, punctuation, and clarity. Review the feedback provided on your content.
Make necessary adjustments to improve readability. Pay attention to the tone and style recommendations. Use the clarity suggestions to simplify complex sentences.
Incorporate Grammarly's vocabulary enhancements for variety.
Check for engagement elements within your content.
Add questions, anecdotes, or quotes to increase interest.
After finalizing your revisions, read through your work again. Ensure it flows smoothly and naturally. Lastly, review the overall structure once more. Confirm that your content aligns with your goals.
Now you have compelling content refined with Grammarly's assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.